Picture this. You're standing in what was supposed to be your dream kitchen, but instead of feeling joy, you're surrounded by delays, dust, and a decimated budget. Sound familiar? Or maybe this is the exact nightmare scenario you're trying to avoid. Here's a shocking truth. 75% of homeowners fall into common renovation traps that could have been easily avoided with the right knowledge. But don't worry, you won't be one of them. I'm Bobby, and after helping many homeowners transform their spaces, I'm here to share 30 game-changing secrets that successful renovators wish they knew before ever having started their projects. Let me be honest with you. 80% of home renovations go over budget and beyond schedule. I learned this the hard way through my own renovation disasters before becoming a pro in the field. Now, after guiding countless homeowners through successful renovations, I know exactly what makes the difference between a renovation dream and a renovation nightmare. That's why we created the Home Renovation and Remodeling Toolkit program, a comprehensive system that has saved our clients an average of $15,000 on their renovation projects. But before we dive into that, let's explore these 30 essential insights that come directly from real homeowners like me and you who learned these lessons the hard way. Ready to get started? 1. A budget buffer is non-negotiable. Always add 20% to your initial budget. Why? Because that gorgeous vintage tile floor might reveal rotted joists underneath. And surprise, you'll need emergency funds. Permit problems can pause everything. Don't even think about swinging a hammer without proper permit. One of our clients learned this $5,000 lesson when they had to redo their entire electrical system. And I've had issues with it before when I thought I could circumvent a permit. I was wrong. 3. Contractor selection is make or break. The difference between a good and bad contractor isn't just quality, it's potentially tens of thousands of dollars and months of headaches. Speaking of contractors, our home renovation and remodeling toolkit includes a comprehensive contractor vetting system that's helped hundreds avoid costly hiring mistakes. Number 4, that YouTube tutorial makes it look easy. But remember, professionals are professionals for a reason. Calculate labor costs against potential mistakes before deciding to DIY things. Number 5, timeline reality check. Multiply that initial timeline estimate by 1.5. Trust me, even the best planned renovation face unexpected delays. Number 6, material quality matters. Cheap materials often lead to expensive problems. Invest in quality where it counts, especially in high traffic areas and crucial systems. Number 7, consider temporary housing costs in your budget rather than living at home. Living without a kitchen for 3 months isn't as adventurous as it sounds, but it is doable. 8, note you've got to do daily check-ins with your contractor. It can prevent expensive mistakes before they happen. And don't miss our upcoming series on kitchen remodels, bathroom upgrades, and contractor negotiation. Hit subscribe to join our community of successful home renovators and access exclusive renovation guide. Number 9, that ultra-modern industrial kitchen might look great on Pinterest, but will you love it in 5 years? Before making any choices, think about that. Number 10, small changes can have a big impact. Sometimes changing hardware or lighting can transform a space without breaking the bank. Hey, if you're finding these tips helpful, make sure to hit that button and subscribe for our weekly renovation advice that could save you thousands. Number 11, value-added renovations. Not every upgrade increases home value. Focus on kitchens, bathrooms, and curb appeal for the best return on investment. Number 12, before removing walls, consider heating costs, noise levels, and furniture placement. Sometimes walls are there for a good reason. Open concept living can have hazards. 13, poor lighting can ruin even the most expensive renovation. Consider lighting with ambient tasks and accent options. 14, order materials early. That perfect tile you love, it might be on back order for 12 weeks. 15, structural surprises. Always budget for structural engineers when moving walls. Better safe than sorry. Number 16, you can never have too much storage. Plan it into your design from the start. Number 17, dust management. Invest in proper dust containment. It's not just about cleanliness, it's about protecting your health and other spaces. Number 18, pre-select materials before starting. You'll face hundreds of decisions. Don't make them under pressure. Number 19, energy efficient windows and insulation might cost you more upfront, but save you thousands long term and increase your resale value. 20, expect the unexpected. Water damage, asbestos, outdated wiring. Have contingency plans for common issues. 21, don't skip on quality plumbing and electrical work. Expensive, but crucial. 22, set up a temporary kitchen or bathroom. Your sanity is worth it. 23, the lowest bid often leads to the highest final cost. Look for value, not just price. 24, don't forget exterior renovation. They often provide the best return on investment. 25, structural integrity. Consult structural engineers before removing any walls, period. No debate. 26, a thorough home inspection before renovating can prevent costly surprises. Number 27, almost there. Consider your neighborhood's ceiling price when planning upgrades and try to stay below that. 28, natural light impact. Test paint colors and finishes in different lighting scenarios before you commit to the colors and choices you want. 29, future-proofing. Plan for aging in place and future needs, not just current trends. 30, break large projects into phases to maintain your sanity and budget. Now, these 30 insights are just the beginning. Our home renovation and remodeling toolkit program has helped homeowners save an average of 20 to 30% on their renovation costs while avoiding common pitfalls. And if you want more support, check out our one-on-one coaching program as well down below. Share your renovation challenges in the comments. I personally respond to help you navigate your specific situation. Remember, a successful renovation isn't about luck. It's about preparation and knowledge. Take the first step toward your dream home transformation today by joining our community of successful renovators.
Ready to transform your home? Enroll in our renovation course today and start saving on your next project. Visit us at www.netgainrealestate.com.